In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add any program to your startup list on Windows 11. First things first, press Windows I to open up Settings. Or if you prefer the mouse, just click the Start icon on your taskbar and select Settings. From there, head over to the Apps section on the left menu and click on Startup. This is where you'll find a list of apps that automatically launch the moment you boot up your computer. If an app is toggled to On, it's ready to go with Windows. If it's getting in your way, just switch it to Off. Now, what if the program you want isn't on this list? Don't worry, here's a quick workaround. Press Windows R, type in shell:startup, and hit Enter. This opens up your system's hidden startup folder. All you need to do now is drop a shortcut of your desired app into this folder. Let's use Telegram as an example. Instead of dragging the main icon, which would remove it from your desktop, right-click the Telegram icon, select Show More Options, and then click Create Shortcut. Now just drag that new shortcut into the folder. You can even rename it if you like. It won't break anything. If the app isn't on your desktop at all, open File Explorer, go to your C drive, and check Program Files or Program Files x86. Find the Apps folder, locate the .exe file, right-click it, hit Show More Options, and create Shortcut. Once that shortcut pops up on your desktop, just slide it into the Startup folder we opened earlier. Now if we head back to Settings, under Apps and Startup, you'll see the new programs are right there. Both OBS Studio and Telegram are now on the list and toggled to On. And that's it. That is how you automate your workflow by adding programs to Startup on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.